Good morning, Mom. Good morning, classmates. Today, I will be reporting wheel map and cycle graph. So, wheel map is an online map that helps people with mobility impairments find accessible locations. It's a crowdsourced project, meaning anyone can contribute by adding and rating places. It uses traffic light system to indicate accessibility. So Wheel Map is an online map that helps people, especially those people who have mobility impairments, to find accessible locations. So it is also a crowdsourced project where anyone, or it can be you or me, anyone can contribute by adding and rating places. So we can add something or rate that place if it is accessible or not. And it also uses traffic light system. It uses orange, green, and red to indicate its accessibility. So green is, it means full accessibility, such as step-free access. So if you see green in the wheel map, so it means that the place is fully accessible for anyone, especially to those people who have mobility impairments. So, and also if you see orange, it is partially accessible, like having a foldable ramp or accessible toilet. So it is partially accessible compared to the green. It indicates full accessibility, while orange partially accessible. So like it has foldable ramps for those people who uses wheelchairs, and it also has accessible toilet. Next is red. So if you see red in the wheel map, it shows not accessible for wheelchair users. So those locations who have red marks, it means not accessible for wheelchair users. So it is an example. This is an example of a wheel map. So you see red, orange, and green. So those green marks, fully accessibility for anyone, and those orange marks shows partially accessibility, and the red ones are showing not accessible for those people who use wheelchairs. So next is cycle graph. So cycle graph, it is a graph that forms a single cycle, meaning each node is connected in a closed loop. So cycle graph is a single cycle, so it does not go back. For example, if A to B, it does not go back to A from B. So A, B, C, D. So it is a single cycle, meaning each node is connected in a closed loop. So this cycle is in a closed loop. So these are the examples of cycle graphs. So the first figure shows A, B, C. So from A to B and C, and the end will go back to the first it will go back to where it started. So A, B, C, and go back to A. So as you can see, it is a closed loop. So the next one is A, B, C, D, and it goes back to A. And the third one is A, B, C, D, E, and goes back to A. So that is an example of cycle graph. Thank you for listening.